In today's Vikram Online Biz video, we are looking at InterServer's VPS or Virtual Private Server service. And we wholeheartedly recommend this service because this is easily the best value for money that you can get, and in terms of features, in terms of pricing, in terms of overall the way the packages are designed, etc., everything falls into place perfectly. That's the reason we've showcased this in today's video and also provided the direct link to this page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that, get to this page, and then choose your preferred VPS package. Now, as you can see, there's both Linux and Windows options, and both work out very cost effective. For instance, the Linux cloud version works out to $6 a month, and the Windows cloud version works out to $10 a month. You can easily pick and choose the one which meets your requirement the best. And in terms of, see, this is something great because in case you need more power, you can easily expand or increase the number of components. For instance, in this particular pricing package, we are looking at one core CPU, 1024 MB or 1 GB of memory, 25 GB or gigabytes of storage, and 1 terabyte of transfer. Now let's increase that. Let's say we take it to 2. Then we are looking at a price of $12 a month for Linux and $20 a month for Windows. Here you're getting 1 core, 2 GB of memory, 50 GB of storage, 2 terabytes of transfer. This likewise, if we increase it to 3, to 4, to 5, let's say we take it to a maximum of 10, because this will probably easily meet the requirement of most businesses, maybe not even this much. Let's say there are 16 and all, so let's take it up to 8, which is like the midpoint. So we are looking at 2 cores of CPU, 8192 MB of memory, 200 gigabytes of storage, and 8 terabyte of transfer. Even then, we find that the pricing is very reasonable, $48 a month of Linux and $80 a month of Windows. So this is something which we wanted to showcase. Once you're onto this page, you can select your desired level of power and then simply click here on Buy Now to get to the package of your choice. Along with that, what kind of items are you getting free? You're getting the ability to deploy hundreds of applications on your cloud VPS, a control panel which is very easy to use. You only deploy the software that you need. You get cloud VPS, which is of course made very easy, and there are no additional control panel expenses whatsoever. Along with that, you get free migration service and a whole host of different features. Let's look at some of them. You get high performance storage, you get an uptime guarantee which is as much as 99.9%, so practically unfailing uptime guarantee. Then as far as the language servers are concerned, there are multiple, so be it PHP, MySQL, Perl, Python, Ruby, everything works out perfectly. Then provisioning is absolutely instant. The control panel is very easy. There are backups and snapshots all the time, and software options are very flexible. Let's look at VPS upgrades as well. In case you require any upgrades, say an additional IP, then you have cPanel and direct admin for each thing. And also you've got Fantastico, Softculus, and Ksplice. And in every instance, you'll find the pricing to be very reasonable. For instance, an additional IP will just cost you $1 per month per IP. Fantastico works out to just $4 a month, cPanel $10 a month, Softculus $2, Direct Admin $8, and Ksplice $3.95 a month. And before we wrap up, let's look at VPS locations as well. We're looking at one in New Jersey, we're looking at one in Los Angeles, we're looking at one in Houston, and abroad we're looking at London, Paris, and Hong Kong. So there are all these different VPS locations which you can again easily choose as per your requirement and as per your own location. It could all very well be that there's a certain server which is assigned. And in terms of OS options, there are multiple, be it Debian, CentOS, Ubuntu, Arch Linux, Windows, the works basically. There are so many of these. Now, in case you have some questions, they're all answered. Is there a trial period? No, there's no trial period or money back guarantee. All billing is month to month, and rest assured there's no need for this. You will be completely satisfied 100%. And whether you can pay quarterly or yearly, there's the 1 year payment option. See, the thing is, when you choose that 1 year option, you easily avail a 10% discount, which of course works out to quite a bit. And of course, the provision to add more slices is always there. And a final note would be the fact that when it comes to support, it's 24 by 7, and it's in fact award winning because it's so good. So these are all the features of InterServer's VPS, something which we very strongly recommend. And coming back to these slices, as mentioned right at the bottom, you can easily avail more of these slices at any time. So therefore, this is perhaps the most critical part of this video, where you know for a fact that you can easily add more power as per your requirement. And you can even see switch initially. Maybe when you're starting off, your requirement is say at the fifth level. Then as your business expands, and as requirement, as say traffic increases, requirements increase, you could go up to 8, maybe you could even go up to 10. That's completely your call, and that's something which perhaps even you will not be able to determine upfront. But as your business progresses and as things scale up, then you could add slices. So that's something which we wanted to showcase. Once again, as mentioned, the direct link is there to this page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that, get to this page, and choose your preferred VPS package from InterServer.